Hi everyone, so I created a little app and wanted to test my associative remote viewing. So that's basically a method used to predict the outcome of binary events. So you ask a question, for example, is team A going to win or team B? So if your question is if team A is going to win and team A represents an apple and you remote view an apple instead of pencil, let's say, then you can say, okay, team A will win. So it is fun to do this, but I couldn't find anything online that I can play with, so I created a little app. So this app basically here I have like three pools, random ARV 1, 2, and 3. So this one I have targets and you can enter any target you want. So for this one I'm like using Bitcoin, right, closing price. So you can enter any target you want. You can put any URL here, or you can add the target. So for adding the target, it could be uploaded from your PC, or you can just say whatever, just follow the instruction. It's simple, like will Bitcoin rise tomorrow? And let's say if there is a desert for yes and stadium crowd on for no answer, and that would be, let's say, your target, or you can upload from PC, or you can describe whatever event you want, or you can put URL, which I prefer. So for these targets, ARV2 pair, let's say Mega Ball drawing on June 23rd. Is it, which number? Is it going to be larger than 4? Is it going to be smaller than 20? Whatever. And then I also have a third pool is for pick 3 lottery. So is pick 3 evening drawing on June 30th have a number 1? So yes or no. So if it's an apple, it's a yes. If it's a pencil, it's a no. So a session goes very simple here. Somebody else can give you the target number, and you don't know what the target is, like a totally blind. But if you have your own targets, or you just upload random targets, then you can kind of test things. So let's say for the first one, which is my Bitcoin, I can use any targets, let's say 9973 to 761, and then I kind of draw some doodle here. You can upload doodle from your PC. You can have a full screen and whatever you want to doodle here. Exit full screen, you can clear, you can color it, whatever. And then what is it? Is it a subject, sky, mountain? And then you can add bunch of impressions, then sensory data. So which one appeals the most? You know, movement, is it falling, rising, emotions, power, whatever. And then you can kind of sketch things, right? Whatever you think it is. Of course, you can upload from your PC, and then some stream of consciousness, something. And then you have like, if you have like 2 or 3 doodles, you can structure it um, with your sketch 1. Maybe you have 3 sketches, maybe more. You can add as many as you want. And then this matrix, of course, again, you can pick whatever pops in your mind first, your intuition, and so on. And then overall impression, whatever, you can draw something that you feel this target, so let's say, represents. And then once you are done, then basically you are revealing a target. So you click reveal target. So what was the target? And of course, here you can ask AI based on all your sketches and enter the data. AI can guess before revealing the target. So in this case, is the Bitcoin price 120,000 or more on or before January 3rd, 2027. So let's say based on your sketch, I don't see any balls here. So I would say this is the target, yes. And then I will save the log. So now my log will have a question. It will say, yes, this is what you picked. This is the doodle. Of course, this doodle, you can change it or put some comments here, whatever you want. And you can save a notation. And then you can simply export PDF and give it to your mentor or whoever you are working with. So it's basically that simple. And then in here, you can say, okay, I did hit it. So I have one hit, 100% win rate. And then here is the log. And then these are the charts. So then it will show you once you hit here, it will say, wow, you have 100% hit because I only have one. I don't know if I hit it or not. We'll see. January 3rd, right? So it's kind of very simple. So for this other one, for example, pick 3, you can simply do the same. You just draw your doodle, go on the bottom, and reveal the target and whatever you see. So did you draw, did you reveal horses or wooden sticks? And then you can pretty much, save the log, and save the log and then go back and then to the new session. So if you want to, let's say, change the target, so it's very simple. You can add or edit the target, or you can just simply export this CSV. So this is like a pick 3 tool, and I can export it. So, and then if I want to, once I export it, it will open this CSV file. And then here is the question. So here you can change the date. Let's say pick 3 lottery for July 1st. So you can simply use your Excel to replace all June 30th with July 3rd or 4th or whichever. And then after that, you can simply import. So you clear everything, right? And then you simply import this whatever you made change. So it's right away imports everything with the correct date. So you don't have to go one by one or change everything. So the question, obviously, I only changed the question. I didn't change the targets. And of course, you can change the targets. You can add different targets, anything you want. So I think this is really such a cool little app. And I don't know if I'm going to win anything on pick 3 or if Bitcoin is going to rise or not. But it's kind of fun to test your ARV remote viewing, right, abilities. I think that's all. Have fun.